Polley's just been at the Workz getting repairs. And wow, there's Otis, the autistic engine. And it looks like he got rebuilt. It's so awesome that I got rebuilt since Kieran and one of his friends got me rebuilt. Yeah, did Kieran did this? Yeah, and at least I can move my eyes left and right and up and down. At least I could move my eyes now. Oh, that's awesome. Oh well, Roly, at least you're happy that your friend Otis the autistic engine got some new looks. At least you notice he's gonna have an awesome day. At least there's nothing to worry about. At least it's still an awesome day I'm having. At least half a messed up hell has been frozen over. Indeed, Roly, indeed it did.